In today's world, many people believe that abundance simply means having a large amount of money, luxury possessions, or a lifestyle filled with comfort and convenience. But true abundance is something deeper and far more powerful. It is the freedom that comes from knowing your financial future is secure, that your money is working for you instead of you constantly working for money. For most people, the financial cycle looks the same. They work hard, earn a paycheck, pay bills, spend what remains, and repeat the process every single month. Years pass, sometimes even decades, yet their financial position barely changes. The reason this cycle continues is not always because people earn too little money, but because their money never gets the opportunity to grow. True abundance begins when individuals start to see money differently. Instead of viewing money only as something to spend, they begin to treat it as a tool that can create opportunities and generate more wealth over time. This is where investing becomes one of the most powerful concepts in personal finance. Investing is not just about buying stocks or putting money into markets. It is about planting financial seeds that can grow into something much larger in the future. Imagine planting a tree. At first, the seed looks small and insignificant. For a long time, it may appear that nothing is happening, but beneath the surface, roots are developing and preparing for future growth. Eventually, that small seed becomes a strong tree capable of producing fruit year after year. Investing works in a very similar way. In the early stages, progress may feel slow. Small investments produce small returns, and it can sometimes feel like the effort is not making much difference. But over time, something powerful begins to happen: compounding. Compounding is the process where your investments start generating earnings, and those earnings begin generating even more earnings. In the beginning, the growth may be modest, but as years pass, the effect becomes stronger and stronger. This is why many successful investors emphasize patience and consistency rather than chasing quick profits. They understand that the true power of investing lies in time. Time allows investments to grow, recover from market fluctuations, and multiply in ways that are difficult to imagine in the short term. Another key element of investing for true abundance is mindset. Many people approach investing with fear or uncertainty because markets can rise and fall. And financial news often focuses on dramatic changes in prices. However, experienced investors understand that volatility is a natural part of the journey. Instead of reacting emotionally to every market movement, they focus on long-term trends and the overall growth of productive assets such as businesses and innovation. This perspective allows them to remain calm during difficult periods and continue investing even when others hesitate. Discipline is another essential component of abundance-focused investing. Rather than investing only when they have extra money, successful investors create a habit of consistent investing. Whether it is monthly contributions to investment accounts or regular purchases of assets, this consistency gradually builds a powerful financial foundation. Over time, even relatively small contributions can grow into substantial portfolios when combined with compounding and patience. Another important aspect of abundance is diversification. Putting all money into a single opportunity can expose investors to unnecessary risk. Instead, spreading investments across different assets, industries, and opportunities creates balance and stability. This approach allows investors to benefit from growth in multiple areas while protecting themselves from major losses in any single investment. Abundance is also closely connected to knowledge and learning. The most successful investors rarely rely on luck. They spend time understanding financial markets, studying economic trends, and learning from both successes and mistakes. This continuous learning process helps them make more informed decisions and adapt to changes in the financial world. Perhaps the most important realization about true abundance is that it is not only about money. Financial abundance creates freedom, the freedom to make choices, pursue meaningful goals, support family, and contribute to communities. When money is managed wisely and investments are allowed to grow over time, Individuals can reach a point where their financial resources support their life rather than control it. This is the moment when investing transforms from a simple financial strategy into a path toward independence and purpose. Many people assume that investing is only for the wealthy, but the reality is that every investor begins with small steps. The journey toward abundance often starts with a single decision: choosing to invest in the future rather than spending everything in the present. Over time, that decision can change an entire financial life. The power of investing lies not in dramatic overnight success, but in steady, thoughtful growth. It's by focusing on long-term goals, practicing discipline, and allowing time to work its magic, anyone can begin moving toward true abundance. In the end, investing is not simply about increasing numbers in an account. It is about building a system where your money continues to grow, support your ambitions, and create opportunities for years to come. When people learn to invest with patience, knowledge, and purpose, they unlock a level of financial freedom that goes far beyond temporary wealth. That is the true meaning of investing for abundance, a life where your resources expand, your opportunities multiply, and your future becomes something you can shape with confidence.